We cannot just generate a compound and we inject that compound in humans. We don't know what will happen. So the quality of work we do here, we follow strictly what the FDA says. So they have their regulatory requirements. So we follow that strictly to produce and generate a data that is convincing and with high quality.
I'm extremely proud. The results that we get, the data that we produce is always high quality. A lot of work and effort goes into that. And I know the same with the animals. We strive to provide the highest level of care that we can. And I know everyone in the organization cares deeply about that, about the welfare and just how they're generally treated.